Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a very special day because I am about to do a highly requested look by you guys. I put a poll on Instagram about a week ago if you guys wanted to see an orange look, and 87% of you guys, I believe, voted for me to do an orange look. So today this is what I'm gonna do. Put the poll here. I've already done my face. I did not want to go through the entire process of doing my face, so that is already done. We're just gonna go straight into the eye look and we will see what we come up with. So again, I am featuring the Zulu Palette by Juviasplace. I'm very excited because this palette is insanely colorful. It is beautiful, it is matte, it has shimmers, it is perfect. For my eye primer, I am going to use the color correcting eyeshadow primer. I've used this in the past. It actually works pretty well in the color Deep. I'm gonna go all over the lid with some of that primer. As you can see, it is like it tugs a little bit at the skin, so the application is not perfect, but it helps the longevity of your eyeshadow, and then that is what you really want to achieve whenever you use certain colors, especially if you go in with shimmers. But today I'm gonna go in mostly matte. I am gonna go in with that brown shade, this one in the crease, so corner to corner, windshield wiper motion. It's already applying very nice. I can see the difference. It is very smooth. I love the feel of it. So I'm not going to focus on the lid because this is where we're going to place majority of that deep orange. So Juvia's Place has like the most amazing selection of colors. Like, if you love colors like I do, you will enjoy any palette from the Juvia Place collection because they have so many to choose from, so many vibrant colors. You will find your perfect palette. How many of you guys have checked out my empties video? Because it was pretty bomb and I worked really hard on that one. I loved it so much. Going in with that orange shade, and I'm just going in, I'm tapping it in because it is a matte. So I'm going back and forth between the brown shade and that orange shade. I do not want to lose that color. So that's pretty, very pretty. I mean, I don't know how this is looking on camera, but it is very nice and vibrant in person. Can you guys believe how quickly fall is approaching? I am really excited for all the fall fashion. Very excited. So this season we have a lot of things that are trending already. So I posted on my Instagram page some inspiration for fall. One of them is the leather jackets, just jackets overall with waist ties. Those are always very nice. So leather jackets are in all shades of green. You could have army green, forest green, pistachio green is in. And also mini purses are in, mini handbags. The way I carry everything around with me, I don't know if I'd be able to What am I gonna put in it? Like, what do you put in those mini purses? I mean, I'm serious. Can somebody enlighten me in the comment section? Because I do not know. What do they put in these mini purses? Alright guys, this is looking really cute. Our look is coming together. I'm gonna go below. I'm gonna go in maybe with this color in my lash line. If you're not brave enough to do this bright color below, you can go with brown because that's more neutral. What is your favorite thing about fall? What do you look forward to the most? I look forward to the fashion. I look forward to the warm drinks, especially from Starbucks. Okay, pumpkin spice, anything. But what do you look forward to the most? Because I'm a fall baby. My birthday is in a couple months and I cannot wait. Can't wait. Okay, I am just going under the lash line. So like I said, if you do not want to add this color below, I just think it makes it look really pretty. And it's not just one boring color. The main emphasis is the orange on top, and then below we have a pop of color because it would not be the Savvy Specialist tutorial. Boom. I'm using a pencil brush, just any random pencil brush. This one is from a collection I got from BH Cosmetics, and I go into that rose gold color from the palette. So far I have used the orange on top for the most part. I've used this deep chocolate in the crease as well as below the lash line. I've used this as my main liner below. I'm going in the inner corner with this rose gold because I'm doing a one palette tutorial. So I'm gonna go in with this, not too much. It's like it is rose gold, and we're gonna go in. So we don't want to be too crazy with it. This color below is Fuego. Fuego. So I just want to do lashes and call it a day. I got this cheap 3D cherry blossom lashes. I think they'll be great for the look. Let's see how they pair up. You can get it at the beauty store, $2. Y'all do not have to spend a ton of money. All right, this is pretty. I'm using two separate mascaras. The first one is the Monsieur Big Waterproof by Lancome, and the next one is by Collab Beauty. Tati mentioned this and I bought it. It's way too big for me personally. I prefer a thinner wand, but it works as well. I could only dream that my bottom lashes could match my top lashes someday. So today we use the Zulu Palette. We used 4 colors. The main color was the orange. We went in with the brown, the chocolate brown. We used the green as a lower lash liner, and then we used the rose gold as an inner corner highlight. I would say I would definitely recommend this because it's bright, it is fun. All right guys, this is it. I hope you like the finished look and how I incorporated the colors from the palette.